The dancehall fraternity has been plunged into mourning following the loss of rising international recording artist Mulla. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The Jamaican entertainment industry is in shock following the sudden passing of talented young recording artist Mulla, born Reggie Dunkley. Hailing from St. Anne, Mulla has been making waves on the dancehall scene. His single Got To was gaining traction with several local content creators featuring it on their playlists. Dancehall Rebel also created a routine to one of his songs. His most recent performance saw him taking over the stage at the recently held St. Decree Carnival. While the cause of his death has not yet been confirmed, reports are that the 21-year-old had been living with sickle cell disease. The news of his passing has sent shockwave throughout the dancehall community. The social media page of Club Mecca shared a photo of the late dancehall artist, sending condolences to his family while sharing that his music will forever live on at the hotspot. Additionally, fans have also sent condolences to his friends and family of the late DJ. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and have more details to come on this in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.